What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Haven't hit up the Champs outlet in a bit, so yeah, let's go see what's up. All right, we are at the Puente Hills Mall. Man, it's dead as hell here, man. All right, let's go see what's up at the Back to the Future Mall. So see what's up. Holy crap, I finally found the entrance that gets us right to the clearance store. Oh man, or the outlet or whatever. Damn, even the Army Recruiting Center is dead. A little convenience store dead. Another empty spot. Telling you, this is like one of the deadest malls around. Even the major flagship stores. Wow. Wow. All right, do got the outlet right here. Let's go see what they got, man. All right, let's see what sneakers they got. Not the craziest selection. All right, let's look around. Couple of Nike boots. I think that's the Manoas. I forgot what those are called, but do have the air units on them. Got some Zoom Freaks going for more than a lot of the retail shops or at the outlets. We got some Prestos going for under half price. Oh, dude, got these bad boys right here. I did check to see if they had my size last time, and they did not. They did not. Once in a blue moon, they will get additional shipments. That did happen with the Ultra Boost that I did buy, so maybe it's worth asking. Because the Ultra Boost I did, yeah, they originally didn't have my size. They came back like a month later. They did have my size. These are the White Castle Pumas. Just have the White Castle logos in the inside. I don't know if that's, I don't think that's the logo on the back, but yeah, it does have the White Castle logo on there. Normally $80 down to $30. Okay. We've seen these at on sale at the regular retail shops. Also seen these as well. Got some Vans. Okay, I don't know what the hell these are called, but alright, has some bears on it. Okay, that's random. Another skate low right there. Alright, these are the skate highs. Okay, did I say skate lows? Alright, bunch of skate highs right there. And then skate lows, extra bright colors. And some all black ones going for 60. Okay. Got some GLI 3s. That's definitely one of the cheapest we've seen those. Normally $110 down to 60. Oh, leather's alright. Leather's alright. I just like the GLI 3s. So some of them they use really dope materials. They have collabs and stuff. I'm looking for one of those. The Cumulus 23s. Alright, one of their decent running shoes. Okay. Then got some Chucks. These are the Flyknit Chucks with the crater foam on the bottom. Then got some let's see, I don't know what the hell these are called. These are the Converse, but I don't know what silhouette these are. I don't know the name. Oh, I don't know Converse, man. Got those Chucks right here, the Looney Tune. These are based on the Chuck 70. Okay, another Chuck up there, and then got these. Oh man, these are the Pro Leathers. These are the PJ Tucker collab. Normally 95 down to 80 and then down to 60. Materials just super nice on these. Have a couple of these at home. These are fired. All right, moving on to the women's sizes. Really not too much. We got the OGs right here. These are normally what, 140, so half the price. Got some Hirachis. We've seen those. Some Prestos, and then like they got, oh okay, these are 60. I was like, why are these regular price? Got some skate highs with the really soft material. Another one of those. A couple of skate lows. Do got the RoboCop shoes. These aren't sponsored or nothing, but they just remind me of like RoboCop or something like a cyborg or something. They got these in every color. I remember when these came out, I was like, ain't nobody gonna buy those. These are some interesting RSX right here. Pretty decent price. Definitely built for the winter. Keep your feet warm. Okay. Then this is definitely the cheapest we've seen. This is a grade school pair. $40 for these. We've never seen it that cheap, even at the outlets. They got those on sale as well. Then they got some Nikes too, Air More Tempos, and then LeBron's going for $60. An older model, obviously. Those are the LeBron 18 lows. So what, almost two generations old now. They got the Zoom Free 3s. Got some Air Max Genomes. Got one more colorway right here. That colorway's not bad. Got some Prestos. Oh wait, I skipped that one. $50 for an all white. Genome Dawn Issue 2s. Okay, I haven't seen too many of these recently. And then we got a few OG Reeboks, but that's about it, dude. That's about it for the shoe section. We have found some apparel steals here, so let's take a look around. All right, I have been monitoring this sweatshirt right here. This is my size 2, normally 100 down to 50. I'm waiting for them to go down even further. This is the one with the Super NES graphics. Jordan, that fool's dunking right there. He's dribbling right there. Playing defense on that one. I guess those are the three Super Nintendo graphics Jordans right there. And then also got the J's. I kind of like this. I don't know why. But I ain't trying to pay 50. I want to see if it goes down in price. Still got a few of them. Got the black ones too. Don't know the sizes. I guess I could check, but I don't know. I don't want to be tempted to buy them. But yeah, $30 for these Zion hoodies with short sleeves, which don't make no damn sense. Oh, look at this one. This is normally $150. This is the 20th engineered hoodies right here. Super thick. Damn, $150 down to $40. Wow. I got those poofy jackets. We saw those at Jumpman LA. And we saw the yellow one like that. And then we also saw a PSG one like that. Down to $60. I think those are like $1.50 or something. So that's not bad. Dang. All these jackets and hoodies go for $30. Okay. Alright. We got a decent variety. These t-shirts, I doubt they're going for $30. $10 for these t-shirts. That's a Nike Boston t-shirt. Nike Queens t-shirt. Did they got other ones? No. Those are the two cities. They got a Twin Cities one. This is a small though. Yeah, all these are smalls, right? Yeah, they're all smalls. Oh, this is the really thick $50 Jordan shirt. Has little Jordan Max on it. Little Jordan Max logo. It's $50. Is this down to 30 now? I don't know. That color's just off. If this was a different color, definitely be dope. Mexico shirt or sweatshirt down to 30, normally 70. These are smalls. Ooh. Is this the one I have? I think I have this one at home. Down to 30. I think I bought mine for like 20. I bought mine for like 25, I think. Yeah, that's dope. Do you got these shorts? These Puma shorts are pretty dope. Basketball shorts, 65. Down to 30, I guess. Okay. Got a couple different colorways. I don't know what size they are. If I tell you guys the size, like this stuff here like sits here for a while. So yeah, those are larges. Puma fleece shorts. These are going for 30, I guess. They do got New Balance hoodies. You rarely ever see New Balance hoodies anywhere. I don't know what the price is though. Normally $80. That's the normal price tag right there. You see the $20 price tag up top. Got XL. Any other sizes? Are these all XLs? Medium. So got a couple different sizes. They got denim shorts. I don't know. Do you guys wear denim shorts? Champs sports gear or Champs sporting gear? Champs. Yeah, this is Champs. I know this is Champs on what's called like really like what guy wears freaking denim jeans? Did I say denim jeans? What guy wears denim shorts? I don't know. I've never really been into that. They got multiple colors. $20 for those if that's your thing. I don't know why, but if that's your thing. Dang, usually I'm like walking around like crazy, finding all kinds of stuff here. Not too much today. Do got some Timberland hoodies and jackets and stuff. All $40. Those are like normally $125. Do got the Beeline collab as well. And I would assume that's $40 as well. Normally $158. Okay. Those look like big. Oh, okay. That's a large. I was gonna say those look like bigger sizes. Got North Face gear. I think that's about it, dude. Just nothing too super interesting here. Definitely worth the stop though. Always gotta check it out for you guys. All right, I think we're done. Oh wait, let's check out these shirts and then we'll be done. Dude got a bunch of $5 shirts, bunch of Xbox $5 shirts. These are Xbox Chinatown Market. Well, now they're just called the Market, but it used to be Chinatown Market. These are normally $40 down to freaking $5. You know, like I grabbed a couple of these for my kiddo. By a couple of these, I mean like 5 or 6 of them, because they had a bunch of different shirts. Look at that, like the Xbox, little bear playing Xbox. Like they had a bunch of these shirts, and they're all going for $5 now. All right, now I'm done. All right, let's go. Let's go. Music loud as hell too.